Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and a brand new hotel tour. I am currently at the Premier Inn at Gatwick North Terminal. So we're going to get in the room. We are room 153. So let's get in and I'll show you around. So as with a lot of hotels, you have to put your room key in to turn the lights on. I will say the room is quite narrow. So we'll start with the back of the door where you have, of course, your in case of fire signs. And if we turn to the right, you've got your light switch, your little key thing, and you've got 3 hooks on the wall. Joseph's huge suitcase. And then first of all, we're going to go into the bathroom. Now this is a huge shower. You've got the toilet, which you don't need to see. We've got me, who's been traveling for ages. It's been a disaster. Sink. You've got Bayliss and Harding. We've got the towels. Massive waterfall shower head, and then we've got more Bayliss and Harding shower gel attached to the wall as well. It's nice to see something branded. Oops, it's just the back of the door there. Toilet paper. When we leave the bathroom, we have the huge floor to ceiling mirror, and behind here we've got extra pillows, and then we've got the hanging space, which is nicely hidden out of the way. We then have another mirror which showcases me again. And these are actually really good mirrors. They're very good, especially for things like putting on makeup. You've got a couple of plugs here along with the hairdryer that came with it and my AirPods. Oh, do not come included. Opposite that, we of course have the bed space. So we've got the aircon on the wall. We've got a little funky piece of artwork, and then we have the double bed. I'll just stand back to show it. And either side of the bed, you have your light switches. It will of course control the lights on the ceiling as well, and then you've got a plug and a USB plug, and you've got the exact same on the other side of the bed. Joseph's on the pull-out bed, and then we've got a little bedside table, so that's quite nice. So I guess he's got one if he requires one. And then these, by the way, have a different switch. I'm guessing it's more like a reading light you can angle. The view, by the way, we can't actually see the view properly because this doesn't open, but we have the Aurora, whatever that is. It's just terminal building stuff. And as you can see, this is how obviously small it is. Obviously this wouldn't normally be here. This would usually be a couch or made up into a couch. But we do have the tea and coffee making facilities. Got your kettle, your mugs. We've got your PG tips. It is Kenko coffee. We've got the remote for the TV that I will show you very shortly, and then we've got the menu. And we are, as I said, room 153. Got more plugs, another light here, which works, and then we have the TV on the wall. And the final thing I'll do is I will show you it from standing right back at the door. So my back is basically at the door, and this is the floor space. So as you can see, the room is quite narrow, especially just having obviously the second bed made up as well. You'd have that extra space down there. But for what we need it for, which is basically to stay the night before we go on holiday tomorrow, it's decent enough. And it didn't break the bank either for being at an airport either. So that was a bonus too. And with saying that, that is the end of this room tour of the Premier Inn at Gatwick North Terminal. I really hope that you've enjoyed it. I know it was short but sweet, but hopefully you got the gist of everything that was in the room. And there you go. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up for me, comment down below just for the hell of it as always, and hit the big red subscribe button to check out lots more content on the channel and what is of course still to come. I've been Disney Matt, thank you for watching everyone, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye for now.